Let's dive right in. Today's topic is all about creating AI videos with consistent characters for free. In this video, I'll walk you through several key steps building consistent characters for AI videos, writing effective prompts, using these prompts to produce captivating content, upscaling videos to 4K resolution, and finally, combining these clips to create cinematic movies. Step 1. Choosing your tool. For this tutorial, I'll use PixVerse. You can access it either through their website or Discord, but I recommend using the website for a more user-friendly experience. Start by clicking Get Started in Web and log in using your Google account. Step 2. Creating a consistent character. To generate a consistent character, we need a reference image. You can either use an AI-generated image from platforms like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, or simply upload your own photo or selfie. Go to the Characters tab and click Create Character. Make sure the image you upload is in PNG or JPEG format with a minimum size of 200 pixels. Ensure the face is clear, with no blurriness or obstructions like hair or sunglasses covering it. After uploading the image, give your character a name. Note for now, the platform only supports realistic human characters, so type and style options are disabled. Once you hit Create Character, the system will train your character using the reference image. This process might take some time. Step 3. Crafting videos with your character. Once your character is ready, click Create to start making videos. PixVerse offers a simple process. 1. Head to the Character tab, where you'll find a prompt box to input instructions for your video. 2. Keep in mind that writing prompts for video creation differs from image prompts, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Step 4. Writing effective video prompts. To ensure clarity and precision, structure your prompts into 3 parts. 1. Subject: define the content of the scene, such as the character's outfit or the surrounding environment. No need to describe the character itself, since you'll use the one you've already created. 2. Motion: specify the movement or action you want to see in the video. This part can be further detailed depending on the desired effect. 3. Style: outline the overall look or feel, such as cinematic, realistic, or animated styles. By following this structure, you'll create well-defined prompts that produce high-quality videos. In the next steps, you'll be able to upscale these videos to 4K resolution and stitch them together to create seamless cinematic clips. Stay tuned as we move further into the creative process. First, consider how the camera moves, whether it's a drone shot zooming in or out, or panning from right to left. Use descriptive words to define this motion. Second, think about the movement within the scene, such as how the character or surrounding objects move. For instance, imagine a tree swaying, light flickering, wind blowing through someone's hair, or a car passing in the background. Finally, focus on the style, which defines the aesthetic that gives your video a consistent feel and adds creative flair. Here's an example prompt: a stylish woman standing on a Tokyo street illuminated by warm, glowing neon signs and animated city displays. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, black boots, and carries a black purse, with sunglasses and red lipstick. Her look is inspired by Wes Anderson. The damp street reflects the vibrant lights, and pedestrians walk by as the wind blows. Tripod shot. This example integrates all 3 elements: subject, style, and motion, though not necessarily in a strict order. After entering your prompt, activate the Auto Character Prompt feature, which refines your input by adding relevant terms in the background, ensuring the final video aligns closely with your description. It's recommended to always enable this feature for better quality results. Now let's talk about negative prompts. This feature allows you to specify what you want to avoid in your video. For example, if you don't want dogs or unattractive elements, you can add these to the negative prompt field. Next, select your character from the drop-down menu containing all the ones you've created. You can either use an existing character or create a new one before proceeding. When it comes to aspect ratios, the 16:9 ratio is commonly used for cinematic videos, while 9:16 is ideal for short-form content like reels or shorts. If you prefer a square format, use a 1:1 ratio, and for vintage aesthetics, opt for 4:3. Let's discuss the seed option. If you're generating the same shot multiple times, using a seed ensures consistency. I'll show you how this works first. Click the Create button to generate a video. Once done, copy the seed number that appears. Then, click Create again, but this time paste the copied seed number. This will generate a similar video based on the same parameters. You can repeat this process as often as you like to produce matching videos. Here's an example of the generated video. The background and pedestrian movements look good, but if you notice any flaws, use a negative prompt to correct them. Typically, generating videos takes about 2 minutes, although this can vary based on server availability. Each video you create will initially be 4 seconds long, but I'll show you how to extend these clips to maintain consistency across your movie. Before that, let's upscale our videos. It's simple, just click the upscale button, and after a few minutes the enhanced version will be available in the My Videos section. Now let's move on to extending your videos. Start by going to the final frame of your clip and taking a screenshot. We'll use PixVerse's image to video feature for this purpose. Here's how it works. PixVerse uses the uploaded image as the starting frame and animates the video logically, creating smooth continuity. To begin, click Create, navigate to the Images tab, and upload your screenshot as the reference image. You can also upload a zoomed-in version if needed. Next, input the same video prompt you used for the original video. Add some camera movements, such as horizontal, vertical, roll, or zoom, and set the motion strength to around 0.25-. Going beyond that may reduce the video quality. Additionally, enable HD quality before hitting the Generate button. Once your video clips are ready, the next step is to assemble them into a sequence using any video editing software of your choice. By carefully planning your style and script and putting in the time and effort, you can create stunning cinematic masterpieces. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.